Are you looking for the best way to kickstart your trading journey on Bingx? Well, I've got something special for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to claim up to $5,000 USDT in bonuses using the Bingx Referral code, CHUCHU. Yes, you heard that right, CHUCHU. By using this referral code, you're not just signing up, you're unlocking a world of rewards. From sign-up bonuses to first deposit and first trade rewards, Bingx has packed in some incredible offers just for you. And the best part, it's super easy to claim these rewards. Here's what you need to do. Click the top link in the description below. This will take you to the Bingx sign-up page. On the sign-up page, simply enter the referral code CHUCHU when prompted. Or if you use the link provided, the code will automatically be applied for you. Complete your registration and boom, you're all set to start claiming your bonuses. Bingx isn't just about rewards. It's a powerful platform that offers everything from spot trading to futures, copy trading, and more. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, Bingx makes it easy to get started with its user-friendly interface. Plus, with features like grid trading and various cryptocurrency pairs, you have all the tools you need to succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Use the Bingx referral code, CHUCHU today, and start trading with confidence. Click the link below, enter the code, and claim your bonuses now. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Remember, opportunities like this don't come around every day. Get started with Bingx using referral code CHUCHU, and you'll be on your way to unlocking up to $5,000 USDT in rewards. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.